Hi friends, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today's topic is very much crucial for everybody because I have faced it genuinely and I've understood that this is a genuine problem that everybody faces in his or her life at this point or maybe at later point of time. What is that thing, friends? The thing belongs to like this. How can you overcome your problems? Okay, how can you overcome your addictions? There can be a lot of addictions that may come in your way, right? What are the type of addictions that can come in your way? Addictions related to cigarettes, addiction related to not waking up early in the morning, addiction related to anything which disturbs our mind, which later feels that we should not have done that thing. Addiction can be arguing with anybody at any given point of time. Okay, that point of time doesn't require argument, it requires discussion, but then also we focus on arguing with the other person, maybe relatives, maybe family members, maybe anybody. Okay, so these are all the wrong things which we have addicted to. Okay, we think that it is normal, but these are not normal. We are addicted to arguing, we are addicted to all the wrong dates, we are addicted to tobaccos, we are addicted to smokings and these all things which are not required as of now, but you have made your mind addicted that we have to do this and we can't sustain without doing this. Okay, there are a lot of people who want to go to washroom but they are not able to do because they want to have cigarettes before doing that. Okay, so these are all the things which we all are addicted to, and we are addicted to all our sense organ. There are 5 sense organs, right? And with all sense organs, some or the other people are addicted to. For example, eyes. How eyes are become addicted to? Watching movies, watching web series, watching mobile phones. From continuous 5 to 6 hours we watch mobile phones or TVs. Okay, so that disturbs our eyes. How? That harmful UVB rays directly striking your eyes. Okay, that disturbs your eyes, as well as it disturbs your mind as well, because you are not always looking at useful things. Okay, you may be looking at some things which wastes your time, and that wastage your time disturbs your mind as well. And what you hear with your ears, okay, that also will disturb your mind, because not at all times you hear to or listen to useful information. Sometimes you listen to things which is not required for your mind. It just pleases your mind, but that is not required for you as of now. So those things disturbs your mind psychologically as well. So we have to understand this all senses: eyes, ears, nose means good food. Always it doesn't require to have good food which is rich in nutrition. Okay, because all tasty things are not nutritious. Okay, so we have to understand which food we have to take at what time, and these foods we should not take because it is rich in calories and rich in carbs. Okay, and can disturb our health as well. Okay, we have to understand those things. Okay, and the sense organ belongs to like taste, nose, this skin, this whole body. Okay, so everything some or other person is addicted to. Some are addicted to food, some are addicted to good taste. Okay, some are addicted to listening to wrong things, some are addicted to listening means watching wrong things. Okay, all the time. So every people some or other way addicted to, but how can we overcome it? Is there any way out? Can we overcome these challenges? Because these addictions are a part of our challenges. Okay, and what is happening here? Our mind is slaving us. We are the slaves of our mind at this point of case. We are just making excuses that these things we will do now and later we will see what can we do. But you are listening to your mind, you are working on the terms and conditions of your mind, and if you work on the terms and conditions of your mind, then you will be the slave of your mind. Okay, so don't let the mind control you. You control your mind. Let you make your mind as your slave. What can you do to make your mind your slave? What can you do, friends? Any idea? What can you do? You can tell, let's suppose you can see two chocolates are there in a jar in your home. Okay, and you have full tummy, you have eaten a lot of lunch, you did your lunch. Okay, and within 2 hours you are feeling like having that two chocolates. It happens in your mind subconsciously. I need to have that those two chocolates which are present above the fridge. Okay, I need to have that, I need to grab it. Okay, so unconsciously you will go, you are not your stomach is not empty at that point of time, you are not hungry, but still you will go and have it. Okay, and later you will feel regret. Why did I have it? I had a lot of food, I had a lot of lunch. Okay, so what can you do to train your mind that mind will listen to you? You will not be the slave of your mind. What can you do? The one secret which I will tell you is, what can you do is postpone the thing. This is a very crucial and very important secret which I am sharing with you. Postponing the things. Okay, you can't say your mind that you are doing wrong, don't do it, because if you will tell your mind don't do it, your mind will focus on that things only which you will say no to your mind. Okay, because our mind works opposite. Okay, you can't fight with your mind. If you can't fight with your mind or anybody, just be with them. Okay, I'm not telling that do what that wrong person or your mind is telling, be the slave of it. No, I'm not telling you to do those things. I'm telling, be friend and try to understand them. Okay, maybe friends, maybe your mind, all let them all as your friends. Okay, behave with all of them as your friend. What can you do? You can tell, okay, if you are feeling like having that thing, let's postpone. Let's suppose you are doing some office work. Let's suppose you are doing some studies. Maybe you are a student. Okay, you will be studying. You can tell like, after studying I will eat that thing. Okay, not now, after studying. And just align your subjects. For example, if you have started studying your science, then you will tell like, after doing maths for 1 hour, I will take that chocolate. Okay, then complete that maths. After that you tell like, I will study this thing, I will do that work, then I will have chocolate. I will do that work, then I will have chocolate. Okay, just try to postpone it again and again, okay. What will happen? You will train your mind. Just imagine, you will train your mind to postpone the wrong things. Okay, and prepone the right things. Whatever things which is required for you as of now, just do those things as of now. Okay, and postpone the other things which are not required, which you are addicted to, which you think that is wrong for you as well as for your mind. Just postpone it to a later time, to the next day, to a later day. Okay, so we have to understand that we can't say no. If you say no, your mind will fight against you and it will tell you a lot of reasons why you have to do it now. Okay, but you can win your mind by telling that, if you want, I can give you, but I have to do this work now because this is very much important, and you have prioritized that work for yourself. Okay, and after doing this work, I will have that. Okay, whatever you say, and you keep on postponing day by day, and later you tell like, after 2 days I will have. Till that I am very much busy in work. Tell your mind like that. Okay, and if you keep on telling like this, if you keep on continuing for 1 month, your mind will understand that he will keep on making excuses so that I can't have those things. So your mind will be your slave. Then mind will do what you will tell him to do, and then your life will become very much simple. Same thing happens with addictions and everything. Okay, so maybe you are having smoking addiction. What can you do in that case? You can't stop it all of a sudden. You can just train your mind to tell, if you are having 5 cigarettes a day, tell that I will not have 5, I will have only 3, and I will postpone 2 cigarettes later. Okay, you can tell like that. And after a week you can tell, for next week I will have only 1 cigarette because I will postpone rest 4 is 10, I will postpone it later. Which, if you just keep on practicing this thing, then your mind will understand that it will not have all these wrong things. Okay, and if you keep on postponing wrong things and if you keep on preponing right thing, then your life will become much simpler and your mind will listen only to what you say. Okay, just follow these secret principles and follow these techniques so that your life will become very simple, and you will understand how joyful your life will be, how beautiful your life will be, and your life will be on your terms and conditions, not on anybody else's terms and conditions. Maybe your family members, it may be your mindset, it may be anything. Okay, maybe your addictions. Okay, what are these addictions? Addictions drives us. Okay, we don't want to do all these wrong things all the time, but you are doing. Why you are doing? Because you are the slaves of your mind. Okay, and you have to understand that mind will do what is present in their subconscious mind. Okay, and you have to train your subconscious mind not to do it. So this is the principle which I told you right now. Just implement in your life, make it into action, take an action right now. Okay, and then you will see that miracles are happening in your life. Okay, so all the best, and I hope you have understood and you will implement it in your life, and I want to help you all guys to make your life better and beautiful every day. Thank you friends. Cheers.